Hello, I'm Rutherford and welcome to my beautiful new Howdens kitchen. The kitchen for me is a hugely important space. I love entertaining, I love cooking. What we've managed to create with Howdens is out of this world. So come on in and I'll show you around this incredible kitchen. So one of the first things you obviously see is the colour, and we went for the Chilcomb Reed Green. And obviously with the gold highlights as well, with the handles and everything, it's absolutely brilliant. I absolutely love cooking and I've used Neff appliances before. So when we fitted this kitchen out, I wanted to make sure that I was using them again. And what we've got here, for me, just means that I can get so much done. And with 3 young children, having the opportunity to use multiple ovens is a perfect way to get everything done on time. So to have everything that we have in here, from 3 uses of ovens through to the incredible hob that works so well. So everything in here is really streamlined. So if I'm not cooking with wine, which is a beautiful ingredient for a lot of dishes, I also enjoy drinking wine. And something that Howdens did, which I was so pleased with, they built this beautiful bespoke wine rack. So come and have a look at it, it's fantastic. The space was quite awkward with the way the wall was falling. And they came up with this idea and it is absolutely perfect. But over in the wine fridge, now this is something that I like to dip into quite regularly already. It's not been in long, but it's already been open probably more than anything else. While we're over here, we have to mention and of course show you the incredible utility room as well. And it's so useful to have the extra space and of course the washer and dryer out there, which means we can keep this incredible kitchen as clear and clutter-free as possible. So something that was really important to us when designing the kitchen with Howdens was figuring out where we can put all of our stuff. Things like this, where you get an extra pull-out for your cutlery within a drawer, has worked so incredibly well. So over here we have one of the most used appliances in the entire kitchen as well. Coffee is something that's really important to me. I drink an awful lot of it, so to have the built-in coffee machine has saved me so much time. And next to the coffee machine, we have this absolutely stunning larder. From the moment you open the doors and the lights flick on, to looking at these incredible balconies that have been fitted and added recently, and the new drawers that Howdens have added as well. These are amazing. They look so beautiful. There's such a good feel to them. They move so well. Really is a beautiful unit. And something else that's beautiful is the flooring. We've gone for the timeless oak herringbone and we absolutely love it. It really does bring together this beautiful kitchen. And for me, this is genuinely a dream kitchen. I've got things in here that I've always wanted, and I'm so happy with Howdens we managed to bring it all together. I can't wait to be hosting many parties because it is that incredibly special space. So for me, a massive thank you to everybody at Howdens. This really has been a dream come true.